Welcome to our channel. Today we how to back up your Zapier smart home automations with historical data, detailed guide step by step clearly. Start by logging into your Zapier account. Once logged in, navigate to the Zaps section on the left sidebar. Here, you will see a list of all your existing automations. Select the Zap you wish to back up by clicking on its name. Open the Zap to view its details. Take note of each trigger and action step. Document any filters or paths if they are included in your Zap. Next, you'll want to copy the configuration of each step. Use a text editor or a cloud document for this process. Pay special attention to any custom fields or settings in the actions. Now, proceed to the Tasks section in Zapier. This section provides insight into your Zap's historical data. Download the task history by selecting the option to export. This will give you a CSV file that contains all past tasks. Open the CSV file to review your historical data. You can sort and filter this data for easier analysis. Once you've completed documenting your Zap and exporting the data, save it securely. Consider cloud storage for easy access in the future. If you're using multiple Zaps, repeat this process for each one. Regularly updating your backups is essential to maintain accuracy. Store your backups in an organized manner for quick retrieval. With this, you have a comprehensive backup of your Zapier smart home automations and historical data. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.